Hi guys, good morning. This is another video made in partnership with Bellbar Organic for their Hair Goals Giveaway Challenge. Today I am going to show you how I prepare my hair for wash day. Typically I do it the night before, and I talked about that last week, but last night that did not happen, but today I'm still going to wash my hair. So this week I had my hair in a twist out. As you can see, I could still revive it if I wanted to for the day. It's actually pretty not bad. I do suspect right here I'm having a little bit of high growth fatigue because my hair has been a little bit limp in this area. So I'm going to make sure I put some strengthening things in that area to make sure it doesn't continue to look not uniform with the rest of my hair. Last week I was supposed to use the rice water mask for the first time, but it did not happen. Wash day did not happen last week after my pre-poo video. It just did not happen. So this week I'm ready to finally use the rice water mask, and I am going to tell you guys how I feel about the results of it. So this morning I have my tea and my Moringa Marula oil, and that's all I need to pre-poo my hair. So to pre-poo my hair, I section it, and I don't really use anything to section it, I just kind of feel it out. And then I spray it. And I spray it, get it moist enough so that I know that there's moisture inside with my oil, so that my hair, that the pre-poo is actually doing something, softening my hair, getting it ready for a wash, getting it prepared to be cleaned and all that. So here we go. So that's how I prep my hair after I make sure my hair is nice and a little bit wet, kind of not really wet, just like damp. And then I will go and make sure I moisturize my scalp, and also make sure I have oil on my scalp and massage it in a little bit. So now put on the plastic cap. And I will go heat up my my heated cap and wear that for about 30 minutes, and then I'll be ready to wash. So there we go. Hi guys, I just wanted to check back in after finishing my wash day. My hair it's not dry yet, it's still, I have low porosity so it'll be wet for a while, but it's drying. It's been probably about 2 or 3 hours since I finished doing my hair. I used the black soap to shampoo. Then I followed up with the rice water, and my hair is feeling very strong. It's looking very defined. The pieces I was concerned about earlier, I still see it looking a little bit drooped compared to where it from where it normally is, but it is definitely looking better. So I'll continue to make sure I pay attention to that area throughout the week. I have a little bit of my tea rinse left. I didn't use it as a spray, but I will, it's just a tiny bit, so I will put a little bit of aloe vera and I will use that throughout the week as my scalp refresher before I apply my Moringa and Marula oil and do my scalp massages. This kit is all about scalp health, and I really do like the way that my hair felt after having the tea pre-poo with the Moringa Marula oil. I like the way it felt in my hair. It felt strengthened but also moisturized, and it just had a smooth feeling to it, whereas before I've used the green tea, and that one is very, very strengthening. So I do actually really like the witch hazel tea that they have now, and I hope that they continue to sell it individually when this mini kit is done, because it's really awesome. But either way, it's my hair feels really great and strong right now after using the rice water. When I had it in with the avocado, I can definitely tell a big difference between using a strengthening mask versus using a moisturizing mask. My hair has a different texture to it, but it feels really great. I'm learning to listen to my hair, just as I was telling you before, how this area might be in trouble, but I'm here and listening to it and ready to fix it so that we can get back on track. And I'm really excited to just continue using these products. I think one of the most important parts about using any products, regardless of what line, who the company is, I think you really just need a solid routine with quality products. And Bell Bar, with their 3-tier system, really helps you be able to have that. They give you quality products where you're going to not be putting dangerous chemicals on your skin, on your hair. You're able to know why you're using your products. They give you the education of when to use your products, what products are for what, how they can help you fix certain issues. And they also have their community online through Facebook and through their kitchen sink if you join one of their learning systems. And you're able to not only just get products shoved down you, buy this, buy this, buy that. It's really just an inclusive system that will teach you everything you need to know, and that helps you educate yourself so that you're making smart decisions. You're not wasting your money. You know why you're buying certain products. You know what ingredients you're looking for, what works for you. And it's really an incredible program, and I'm so glad to be a part of this. I'm so glad to have discovered them and to use them now and use them forever, because it's really just has changed not just my hair, but it's really changed my relationship with my hair. I don't just wash my hair because, oh, I think it's been 2 or 3 weeks, it's time to wash now. I'm not scared of detangling my hair. I know what to use, I know when to use it, and I know why it's going to work. And I hope that through my videos or whatever other information you can find out, that you can use Bell Bar and learn about your own hair and how to embrace your curls. Because I used to hate my shrinkage, but now I see how healthy my hair is. I see my defined little tiny coils that exist where they are, and I'm so proud to have my hair and to show my hair and to wear my crown, as many people will say. And really, it's just been a transformative experience, not only physically through my hair, but just like in my mind, emotionally, and just everything else. I really have a new outlook when it comes to hair, and it's something I really love, and I hope you guys are able to fall in love with your hair too. Thank you guys for watching today, and I hope that you continue on in your hair journey.